Air pollution affects so much more than just the air we breathe. Everything living has a need for clean, breathable air, from humans and animals, to plants and trees. These needs make fighting air pollution a major priority for everyone, to help heal and protect our planet and future. Air pollution is a common issue among large cities, anywhere in the world. High volumes of traffic, large industrial areas, and dense concentrations of people all contribute to the amount of pollution in the area. The effects of air pollution reach around the globe, wreak havoc on people, plants, and animals. Changes to air and water quality create dangerous and even deadly situations. Here are just a few of the dangers of air pollution.